What's up guys, today's video's on the top 5 best wood router 2022 that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you would like to see more details on these products and the updated prices, please check out the description below and be sure to subscribe to get more reviews. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. This is an excellent compact router from Bosch. Though cheaper than the 1617 EVS-PK, it still offers you similar features. It doesn't have two bases like the former, but you can handle almost all types of woodworking projects with the fixed base. This router has a heavy-duty 2.25 horsepower motor rated at 12 amps. This power is enough to perform basic routing and easily cut through materials. There is an air vent that keeps the motor cool even under heavy workload. The motor features the soft start technology that allows it to start off slowly and prevents potential damage to your workpiece. It also offers an excellent variable speed range between 8,000 revolutions per minute to 25,000 revolutions per minute. You can easily and quickly adjust the speed with the speed dial. What's more, it can keep the same speed during any intense load with the constant response circuitry technology. We just love this feature. This router gives you a linear and professional routing result on the workpiece that is similar to the industrial routers. The Bosch 1617 EVS accommodates both 1/2 and 1/4 chucks. So, this model can fit all types of router bits. It's also easy to remove or fit a bit with this router. Number 4. The DWP 611 is another excellent small and lightweight router from DEWALT. But this model doesn't come with a kit like the DWP 611 PK. It only has a D-shaped fixed base, which is clear enough to see your workpiece well. The dual LED lights illuminate your workpiece for even better visibility. This compact power tool comes with a 1.25 horsepower motor that produces enough powerful torque to help you perform even the toughest applications, such as huge edge profiles, flush trimming, or minimal bevel cuts. It also offers you a variable speed ranging from 16,000 revolutions per minute to 27,000 revolutions per minute, similar to the DWP 611 PK. Considering the price, we think it's a steal. The DWP 611's motor also has a soft start feature that maintains its speed throughout the cut. The adjustment ring controls bit depth changes and keeps it within 1/64 inch. There is a 1/4 diameter collet since it's a compact router and a spindle lock button to change the bits. But we found the bit changing process quite complex and time-consuming that could have been hassle-free. This tool is embellished with a contoured grip that we found comfortable, and overall, we found this router easy to use. However, we would have appreciated electric brakes on this device as a great safety feature. But you'll be glad that this product is backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Number 3. Bosch 1617 EVS-PK is one of most frequently reviewed and top-rated mid-range routers out there. This compact router is so easy to use that beginners will surely love this machine. This model comes with a variable speed motor that allows you to adjust the speed between 8,000 revolutions per minute to 25,000 revolutions per minute. It has a 2.25 horsepower and 12 amp large and powerful motor, which is one of the most powerful we've seen on wood routers. In terms of versatility, Bosch 1617 EVS-PK is simply unmatched. When testing, we performed a wide range of operations, including edge forming, accurate bit plunging, slot cutting, dovetail cutting, and laminate trimming. All work turned out pretty accurate and we were highly impressed with its performance. This model is a bit heavier than the Bosch 1617 EVS, but more compact in size. The motor housing and the base are made from heavy-duty aluminum that makes it extremely durable. Moreover, there is a dust shield over its power switch that further enhances its durability. Furthermore, this combo kit router model includes 2 polished wooden handles on its fixed base and 2 soft grip handles on its plunge base. We found both handles pretty comfortable, and as a result, we were able to have better control during operation. However, switching between the 2 bases could be a bit difficult, and there are no templates that most other similar models have. You have to buy them separately. Number 2. If you're looking for a feature-rich router that's compact, easy to use and affordable, you should definitely check out the Makita RT0701CX7. It's perfect for both home-based and pro woodworkers. This aluminum-made router is extremely durable and sleek in design. Double insulation brass is used on the body to make it scratch and damage resistant. Makita RT0701CX7 operates on a soft start motor with 1.25 horsepower and 6.5 amps. The adjustable speed dial has a whopping range of 10,000 revolutions per minute to 30,000 revolutions per minute, which you can get from expensive high-end models only. You can easily change the speed as per your requirements. This lightweight router kit works fine with both plunge and fixed bases. You don't need any specific template guide for the fixed base since it accepts any template guide. Changing the bases is easier compared to some other compact models. We also had a seamless and smooth bit changing experience with this router, thanks to the handy shaft locks. You can have highly accurate and fine work with its rack and pinion depth adjustment system. You also get a more precise setting with its easy-to-read depth scales. However, this router doesn't feature any LED light that disappointed us. But it shouldn't be a problem unless you're working in poor lighting conditions. We would have also appreciated it if the on-off switch had a dust shield. Apart from these few negatives, you'll love the incredible features that the RT0701CX7 model comes with. Number 1. DEWALT DWP611PK is one of the most reviewed and top-selling wood routers on the market. This compact router combines power and ease of operation pretty well, making it a perfect choice for both DIYers and professional carpenters. This router is extremely compact in size with the 1.25 horsepower motor. But it generates a lot of power and torque. It has a soft start feature that prolongs the motor life and makes it safer to use. It offers you a variable speed range of 16,000 to 27,000 revolutions per minute with a scale from 1 to 6 on the speed dial. Adjusting the speed, you can manage the device better and determine the perfect speed needed for your project. It comes with 2 bases unlike the DWP611 model that offers you only 1 base. You can perform all the trimming and edging tasks with the fixed base. On the other hand, the plunge base can turn your router into a plunge router, allowing you to work on all your woodworking projects. Additionally, changing the bit and bases of this router is easy with its spring-loaded quick-release tabs. The DEWALT DWP611PK offers you more plunge stroke than Makita RT0701CX7 and other similar market-leading models. This router has a robust design with a lightweight. We love that it came with inbuilt LED lights. You can clearly see the workpiece and have better accuracy as a result. However, we wished it included an edge guide that would make the edging tasks a lot easier. Just like all other DEWALT woodworking tools, this model also has a plastic dust cover placed over the power switch. We think it's a great feature for prolonging the switch's life. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.